This is more for Poi sitting out in the Wales. Grains are as Morglay, she's all high by 3 ear, another Fotor Video Agent.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional launch video using Fotor Video Agent. If you're looking for product launch video ideas or wondering how to make a launch trailer with AI, this workflow will walk you through the entire process.
First, enter the Video Agent interface of Fotor. We can see the entire operation interface. At the bottom is the timeline, and in the right column are some quick creation entry points. At the bottom right is the text bar. Here, input the prompt.
This prompt is built around 6 key parts. The theme and story define what the video is about, while visual style, motion, and typography shape how it feel. Finally, the key messages highlight the main selling points, helping the AI generate a polished and engaging product launch video.
Then click Send. Now you can see that it has provided the analyzed script content. All the content in this script can be added, deleted, or modified by yourself. If you are not satisfied, you can modify it by yourself. After you have confirmed your script, you can click Confirm. Next, it will present you with such a question. You can give it the answer based on your own situation so that it can understand your meaning. After it finishes replying, you can see the basic information it provides. Once you confirm that there are no errors, you can click Generate. Now, you can see that it has been generated, and all the materials have been assembled and placed in the timeline. If you are not satisfied with any part, you can freely edit and adjust the content in the timeline. The material area is in the upper left corner, where you can see all the materials in the video. If there are any deviations in the material content that need to be adjusted, you can go back to the text bar. Below here, there is a small arrow. Click on it, and then select the material you want to adjust in the timeline. Both videos and subtitles can be adjusted. After you select it, you will see the name of the material appear in the text bar. Then you can continue to give the adjustment instructions and adjust until you are satisfied. The upper right corner is the area for adjusting parameters. Here, you can change the text, font, and so on. If you need to add subtitles yourself, you can click on the subtitles to do so. This is the complete process of making a finished video